Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to give you some information on your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor, air fuel ratio sensor on a 2014 to 2019 Toyota Corolla. Now this oxygen sensor is located downstream of your front catalytic converter. All this oxygen sensor is on the vehicle for is to measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. If this oxygen sensor air fuel ratio sensor goes bad, make sure you get a direct OEM replacement, never get a splice in, and you might need a oxygen sensor socket set to replace the sensor. Let me show you real quick. This is the kit that I use. This is a 10-piece oxygen sensor socket set and a oil pressure sending unit set. It has every sensor or every socket that you're going to need to replace darn near any oxygen sensor. They come with a 1/2-inch drive and a 3/8 drive, and there's also a little drive that you could use like an open end to use on some of these sockets as well. This will help you out a lot if you need to replace the sensor. Now, if you have a catalyst efficiency below threshold code and over 100,000 miles, you might want to start thinking about replacing the catalytic converter and the downstream oxygen sensor both at the same time. They're usually one and another that need to get replaced when one or the other goes bad. So that's something I highly recommend to you guys. Now, hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to comment below with the year, make, model of vehicle that it did help you on. If you have any questions about your vehicle, make sure to comment below. There will also be a list of possible codes in the description below of what this oxygen sensor can cause if it goes bad. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.